Check this out guys, what I've got here is an electric scrubber by BEI&HONG. If you had enough of manual scrubbing, then grab yourself one of these. You get yourself a handy pair of rubber gloves. There's 4 types of brush heads that you can attach, and it's not some cheap quality material. It really is a strong bristle brush. Charger and a 21 volt lithium battery. It comes with a power indicator just like the DeWalt batteries. I've used the scrubber for a few times now on small tasks and I'm still on a full bar. So that's quite impressive that the battery does not drain out quite quickly. A 3M sticky pad hanger. So I believe you can slot in the scrubber in here. Instruction manual. And finally the scrubber power tool itself that comes with extension bars. Now these slots are to connect the extension poles. The battery slots in here. Let's quickly test this out. You got 2 modes on this, low and high. The maximum RPM is 1000, which is good enough to scrub off any dirt. Click this button to collapse the head to give you better handling. And make sure you tighten up. Now in this laminate flooring we had some dry paint marks, which you can see it's easily lifting up. It did a good job when I used it on carpet and tiles. Honestly guys, it does a pretty good job. Much better than manual scrubbing off the dirt. Definitely will come in handy. Work smart, not hard guys. Peace.